Hey there! Ever heard of the VacBack? It's not just a backpack, it's a packing revolution. With our patented compression technology, the VacBack lets you fit up to 50% more to the same space. Let's take a quick tour. In the front, there's a quick access pocket, perfect for essentials like headphones, sunglasses, chargers, and keys. It's made from recycled, sustainable fabric and designed to keep everything dry thanks to its 100% water-resistant finish. Inside, you'll find a spacious compartment for your laptop or a few good books. The straps are padded with soft, breathable material to keep you comfortable all day, and it attaches easily to your trolley. There's also a hidden pocket to keep your valuables safe. The laptop section includes a TSA-approved lock for extra security, and there's even a spot for your water bottle. On the inside, you'll find a special compartment that's both odor and water-resistant, perfect for shoes or laundry. But the real magic? The VacBack's patented compression system. This clever design lets you pack way more, up to 50% more in fact, by compressing your clothes with either our custom pump or your household vacuum. And if you still need more space, just unzip the expandable section and unlock a full 45 liters of storage. More space, less stress, smarter travel. That's the VacBack.